Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a very quick, easy and healthy oats recipe that you really need to try, and it's somewhat different from the normal and the regular oats recipe that you've always known. So quickly, we're going to be crushing some bananas in a baking tray, whatever shape would do. We're going to mash this. If you have a masher, that would be fine, but I did use a fork and it gave me the same results. Next, we're going to be sprinkling some oats. I used old-fashioned oats, but you can also use the quick 1-minute oats and it will do just fine. So you're going to sprinkle it all over the surface, covering the bananas. Next, we're going to be adding some milk. Whatever milk of your choice would do. However, I used almond milk in this video. So after sprinkling that, we're going to just try and add the chia seeds next and sprinkle that in and mix it all in. Now guys, this is really simple. It's something you can quickly make in the morning for yourself, for your kids, and it's really easy. So this is something we finish all at once. It's something the full family enjoys, and I'm really happy to be sharing this recipe with you guys. It's super healthy. You all are aware that chia seed is a super healthy food. It's a super food, and it's really nice. Contains so many vitamins and functions for the body. Now I'm gonna be adding some cinnamon powder, which is good. Nice flavor, nice aroma, nice taste. Okay, so that when you're baking this, your neighbors are gonna know that something is going on in there. Breakfast is getting ready. Next, we're gonna be sprinkling some frozen berries, frozen fruits on the surface. Now, if you are a fan of berries, you can do more and cover the entire surface, but this is just the quantity that I'm okay with. And then I'm going to be sprinkling some coconut flakes. If you have homemade, but I did use organic, that's fine. Whichever one is okay. And also, if you're not a fan of coconut, you can skip this process. But if you're a fan of coconut, you can sprinkle a whole lot more. Next, we're going to be baking in the oven for about 20 minutes at 150 degrees Fahrenheit, and this is gonna be the results. Now listen guys, we do like this recipe coming out really soft, especially when you have younger kids. However, if you have older kids, or you're just making this for yourself, or if you like it crunchier, you can leave it in the oven, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. But here we're enjoying this soft oats recipe with some Greek non-fat yogurt and some organic honey. Now this is really yummy and moist and sumptuous. Now I did make this on another day, leaving it to make it more crunchier and drier. Now this is what it looks like. It looks more crunchy. You can even see that it has a brownish crust on it and looks nice. So this is what it looks like. Personally, I go with either one, but it depends on my mood. So this looks crunchier and is nice. So guys, this is something you can quickly make for your family. I'm glad to have blessed you today with this video. If this video has blessed you, please leave a like, comment and subscribe. God bless you.